All right, so bought a vacuum recently, as you can see. It's a 2-gallon. Now the thing I really wanted about this one is it's corded and it takes batteries. So and I guess apparently we're gonna find out you can use the 18 volt and the 20 volts. So that's pretty cool. So I got a couple different batteries here to see if any of these fit and what we can do with it. I also ordered some nozzles and attachments to get in some nooks and crannies. So we got that coming up. But let's unbox this and see what we got within this packaging. So get this open. Oh, really cool. Alright. So that's the first thing you see. And we're gonna go ahead and not that. There we go. Pull that out. Very cool. Look at that. Look at that. Nice and easy packaging. There's not even any padding in there. Nice manual. Always read that second. So, as you can see, we got the cord wrapped around here. Put that in the back. There we go. We got some battery spots here, so let's see. 2 amp does work. What do we got? And light. So I'm assuming the rest of these will also fit. Let's see. There's a 6 amp flex volt. Oh yeah. Feels like even more power too. Let's check this out. Let's see if the 9 has even more. Wow. Dirty, dirty 9. It does sound like he does kick up a notch with the batteries. So that's cool. Apparently this is going to be pretty cool. Let's look inside this thing. It's supposed to have a good filter too. So let's check this out. See what we got. Alright, there we go. So there's our filter. Looks like it'll be pretty easy to detach and replace eventually. So can't say this was a bad purchase so far. This thing's pretty nifty. I think this will come in handy cleaning up around the house and the vehicle, stuff like that. So I'll keep you posted on how it works. So check me out.